Hello and welcome to the universe of baby-friendly recipes, easy and fast to prepare. As I always like to surprise you, and I hope in a good way, I have a great recipe of muffins with raspberries and yogurt from Andreea, owner of tastebazaar.ro. Her website is full of awesome ideas of delicious recipes, so check it out. What you need for this recipe are the following: 2 eggs, 80 milliliters of oil, 80 grams of stevia, this replaces the sugar, 250 grams of yogurt, 100 grams of raspberries, 240 grams of flour, 50 grams of coconut flakes, and 1 teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate. What you need to do is mix the sodium bicarbonate with the flour and the coconut flakes. Then mix the eggs with the oil and the stevia. Continue by adding the yogurt and keep mixing. Now add the batter with the flour and mix everything. Last but not least, add the raspberries. Mix everything. Put the whole mixture in some muffin molds. Leave them in the preheated oven at 180 Celsius degrees for 25 minutes. Time's up. Let's get the muffins out of the oven. These are some fluffy muffins that you definitely need to try. I will just get them out on a plate. And I will enjoy them later. Thank you for taking time to watch this recipe. Andreea, thank you for the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit tastebazaar.ro. Keep in touch. Bye!